Here at 118 High Street, Hunners Hill for Ray White North Ride. This is Jet Force Plumbing Services. Just inspecting property sewer. Just about to go down property boundary shafts towards Sydney Water Board's mains to check if there's any issues in the pipe. Okay, evidence there of tree roots coming in. Looks like to be between the relining of Sydney Water Board's mains and the property junction to this sewer. Just get up a little bit closer. You can see there that the grey material is the reline, and that the roots look like they're coming out of that, whether that junction is snapped or not, but that's obviously a problem. We'll just check into Sydney Water Board's mains to see if they are relined, which they are. It's completely relined. There's no issue down there.